Now you have a new baby, you have Bharata First, and I'm really curious to know about the story, how you conceptualized it. You're the editor in chief now. And if we look at the pandemic, especially, people have started to consume news on new media platforms, on mobile phones, YouTube, essentially. And that's how a lot of our channels are thriving and surviving as well. That is one question, the story of Bharata First. But also, what I want to ask you is why not India first? Why Bharata First is what I'm very intrigued by.
Oh, it's very simple. I mean, when you start something taking the name of Ma Bharati, why would you call it anything else? So it's but natural to call it Bharata first. And there is no mention of India in any of our Itihasas or Puranas. Bharata comes from our Puranas. Bharata Varsha has been mentioned so many times. And what is Bharata Varsha? Bharata Varsha is the country of Bharata. Right?
Yes.
So it was but natural to call it Bharata first and nothing else, because the whole idea is to go back to the roots of Bharata. Because if we, the Western world has to look forward to progress. We have to look back.
Right.
Because our culture is thousands of years old. Our civilization can be 5,000 years old, but our culture cannot be dated.
Absolutely.
Our culture is thousands of years old, and that is what we thrive on. And we need to look back, because modern sciences today are starting where our Rishikas and Rishis took these points forward thousands of years ago.
Yes.
So the Western world needs to evolve and look forward, whereas we need to look back, look at what our ancestors and our forefathers did, and just continue on that trajectory. And it's all in front of us. Right. History tells us very clearly about what we are and where we come from. When a 14-year-old can conquer the Ganges, right from the southern point of India, he can conquer the Ganges and take on the role and responsibility of an entire empire and a kingdom. That itself tells us what we can do. Unfortunately, somewhere along the way, we've forgotten this. We've adopted different philosophies, we've adopted different cultures, and forgotten about our own.
Right.
That is what we need to go back to. And that is why Bharata first and not India first.
Right.
It's as simple as that.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.